You ask a very brilliant question, and you don't want usual answers. You want unusual answers. People who think in an unconventional way. And that's how we are going to make Uganda Airlines great. It's great at the beginning, it will be greater. So now, imagine the number we have been given, 20,000. 20,000. That is, given the UK population, that is 0.03%. How can we make that at least 2%? Now, here is a simple solution. Leveraging technology, especially immersive technology. We are talking about VR, we are talking about AR, augmented reality, we are talking about XR. These are real. And that's what someone would wonder, why a vice chancellor is here. There's no any other education institution here. No. Because we understand that we can't bring education to the people in the UK. They don't need to leave this country. But we can leverage technology and collect every penny we can from the people of UK and take it to Uganda using technology. So when you leverage such technology, what do? You develop VR apps, AR apps, XR apps, applications, and even web-based platforms. And then you digitize the game park. You digitize the beauty of Uganda. That content, once you feed it, AI can actually help you do all that. Once you feed it to those platforms, then a person in UK, you're going to cost it as low as $2, just $2. And you have made it interactive. A person in the UK is going to now visit Wendy, interact with gorillas, paying only what? $2. But remember, this is virtual. Because now they can wear these gadgets and they even touch the gorilla in their world in the living room. Now, the next thing, now you're going to have almost 2 million people doing that, paying only $2 or £2, all right? Now, when they do that, you have generated their appetite to start wanting to go to the place, jurisdiction, to the destination where this gorilla does exist. And out of the 2 million, for example, a year, who watched all this beauty, you've collected the £2 times 2 million, but now you may even get 10% now having the interest to visit, to come to Uganda. Do you know how many passengers Uganda Airlines will have? And that's how we will develop Uganda Airlines, make it even better. Will I answer your question? Thank you very much.